The innovative rugged phone, Doogee V30T, will elevate your smartphone experience. Through their resounding success on AliExpress and Doogee Mall, this remarkable smartphone has already had a sizable impact on the market. These extraordinary devices are now available to a wider audience, thanks to Amazon. With its distinctive photochromic finish, this device surpasses expectations and distinguishes itself from the competition, making it a true standout. The impressive feature set that rivals that of flagship devices, all at a price that belies its affordability, is what really distinguishes it. The first thing that catches your eye about this device is its unique photochromic finish. The photochromic technology allows the device's exterior to change color or shape in response to different lighting conditions. This not only adds a touch of elegance, but also sets it apart from other devices on the market. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, the device adapts its appearance, creating an intriguing and personalized user experience. The Doogee V30T boasts a stunning 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display that is sure to captivate your senses. This immersive screen takes your viewing experience to the next level, whether you're scrolling through social media, playing games, or enjoying multimedia content. With its generous size and impressive resolution, every detail comes to life with clarity and precision. One of the standout features of this display is its 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The device's front is completely covered by the expansive display, offering a large and uninterrupted viewing area. With no intrusive bezels or notches to distract you, the display becomes a canvas for your content, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in whatever you're doing. In addition to its captivating display, the Doogee V30T offers a truly immersive audio experience with its high-res standard dual speakers. These speakers are developed to deliver rich, high-quality audio that enhances your enjoyment of music, movies, and video games. With the V30T's dual speakers, you can immerse yourself in the bliss of surround sound. Whether you're listening to your favorite songs, watching a thrilling movie, or engaging in intense gaming sessions, the audio quality will transport you to a whole new level of immersion. The dual speakers work together to create a stereo effect, filling the room with immersive sound that envelops you from all angles. At the heart of the Doogee V30T lies the powerful Dimensity 1080 chipset, which serves as the device's powerhouse. The Dimensity 1080 chipset is developed to handle demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking, running resource-intensive applications, or playing graphics-intensive games, this chipset can handle it all. Its powerful processing capabilities ensure that you can navigate through tasks effortlessly, without experiencing any lag or slowdown. One of the standout features of the V30T's chipset is its base 12 GB of RAM. You can switch between applications, browse the web, stream media, and perform other tasks without any noticeable drop in performance. Additionally, the V30T offers the option to increase the available memory up to an impressive 20 GB through virtual memory, further enhancing the device's ability to handle demanding tasks. Storage capacity is another area where the V30T excels. The device comes with a base storage of 256 GB, which offers plenty of space for storing your files, photos, videos, and applications. However, if you find yourself needing even more storage, the V30T supports expandable storage using a microSD card. The 108 megapixels main lens is the star of the show, offering exceptional resolution and incredible levels of detail. Whether you're capturing landscapes, architecture, or close-up shots, this lens delivers stunning clarity and sharpness. The 20 megapixel secondary lens provides added versatility to your photography. It offers a different perspective and can be used for wide-angle shots, group photos, or capturing more of the scene in a single frame. The 16 megapixels tertiary lens further enhances the camera system's capabilities. It is often dedicated to specific functions like telephoto zoom or depth sensing, providing additional creative options for your photography. On the front of the device, the Doogee V30T features a 32 megapixel Sony sensor for taking selfies. This high-resolution front-facing camera ensures that your self-portraits are sharp, detailed, and ready to share with the world. The Doogee V30T is equipped with a massive 10,800 mAh battery, providing you with an incredible amount of power to last throughout the day. For added convenience, the V30T features 66 watts ultra-fast charging technology. This means that when it's time to recharge, you won't have to wait long. With its fast charging capabilities, the device can quickly replenish its battery, allowing you to get back to using your phone without significant downtime. In addition to its ultra-fast wired charging, the V30T also supports 15 watts wireless charging. This feature offers a cable-free charging experience, allowing you to conveniently place your device on a compatible wireless charging pad or dock. The Doogee V30T device has been offered for sale on Amazon since May 22. On Amazon, the Doogee V30T is available for as little as $549. On the Amazon website, a page clip with a $50 coupon is also accessible. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.